So we're at our iPhone's lock screen, and in order to put any app on the lock screen, we will long press anywhere on our screen, and then tap on this Customize option. Since we're going to launch applications from our lock screen, I'm going to tap on it on the left side, and now we're in this edit mode. In previous versions of iOS, we couldn't change the flashlight and camera options, but with iOS 18 we can, and I'm going to tap on the minus icon in order to remove one of the options. Once this is removed, we can tap on the plus option, which will open this menu where we can select a bunch of controls, which we can add as a shortcut. But since we want to add an application to launch from our lock screen, you want to search for Open App. And that's going to be under the Shortcuts section right here, and let's tap on it. This menu will pop up, and you want to click on this Choose, which will open a list of applications which you have installed on your iPhone. I'm going to add the TikTok application because I want to launch the app from my lock screen, and I'll also add another app on the right side of the screen. So we can add 2 applications on our lock screen, which we can launch directly. And in order to open the app from the lock screen, just long press on the app, and it will open it in an instant. You can see that my TikTok application opened, and I didn't have to unlock my iPhone in order to launch this app. But yeah, iOS 18 has a bunch of new and cool features which Apple has added, and if you want to learn a little bit more about this update and use these new features on your device, I have an iOS 18 playlist in the description of this video, so go check it out. See you in the next video, everyone.